Hi, I'm Harper, and I'm going to be doing a lava lamp. So you need some vegetable oil, and then food coloring, and any color, and then a little bit of water. This is too much even. Like tall glass or any kind of glass, something you can see through, and Alka Seltzer. And first you're gonna start by taking up your oil, and you want it to be about like right here, and then you pour it in, pour. That's good. Okay. Oh, we wasted a lot of vegetable oil. Now you don't need any more of that. And then you are going to take your water and pour a little bit in. I'm going to pour a little more. Oh, it's spilled. And then you're going to pick a color. Last time I did blue in this, so I'm going to do green. Actually, let's do, would yellow work? Let's do red. So then you're going to take it and put drops, and then they'll all sink to the bottom. We can't see it. They're all at the bottom. And okay, so now I'm gonna pour the Alka Seltzer. You only need one. So I've got it right here, and you just pop it in, and you'll see what happens. Wow, I love. Okay, it's turning red, it's turning red, it's turning red. It looks like the candy red, clear candy red. Some of them will be really dark and some of them won't at all. And if you can't hear that, it's like fizzing. I think I should draw, and maybe you need a little less bubbles, at least you want it to turn out like this. Like, maybe like 5. I did a lot more, but that, they split ends like a lot. And then you will see it start to stop, which mine is starting to stop. And they're really easy and they're really fun to watch. Some of them go like a really long time and some of them only go for like a minute. You can still see the Alka Seltzer right over here. You maybe can't, but I can see it. It's just a lot smaller. Okay, well that's how you make a lava lamp. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you can't see, look at that. That's really cool. Okay, well I hope you liked making a lava lamp with me. I think I should have only did a couple drops, but I did a lot. Not this many actually, but thank you for watching. Bye!